just walking out of physical therapy. This one got it in that physical therapy. Ooh, the ice pack got my back freezing. Ice pack and that on that table. Yeah. My back freezing. Feel good though. Sit that right there till y'all get situated. Till I get situated. Back free some. Lord. Yep, I was feeling it all in my back yesterday that the weather was gonna change. Looking kind of cloudy and gloomy out here, so I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but I know my back was feeling it. Chiropractor was in there trying to pop my back, man. That sucker was being so stubborn. He was on top of it trying to, different little spots. So you take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and as you're taking that breath out, you're relaxing with it. You try to, man, that sucker was so, man, stubborn. They didn't want to pop it then. So he had to go to the side of me, stand over me, work me all the way down, my whole back. And they went to loosen it up. He went on the other side, did the same thing. And it popped a little bit. And like I was saying yesterday, I said, man, the people trying to, not them, talking about the sports medicine and, what's the name of the other doctor? Pain management doctor. They ain't trying to do nothing but turn the brother into a junkie with all that stuff they got. All the pills and stuff they prescribing and line. Man, I ain't trying to go out like that on it, Yep. I got to go in the garage when I get home, man. I have a whole bunch of stuff sitting up in there that I have to really get situated. I got it in some storage containers. I got to get that plastic storage containers. I got to get that stuff out of there. And I still got a whole bunch of stuff from my Joseph. I'm talking about I got mail, pictures, and I'm going to be tripping out. I got letters and this on the screen. All kind of stuff in there, but I got to get all that stuff straight. I don't know what this is on the screen. Probably not. When I get to the house, I'm gonna hit y'all up. So I'm just leaving from there. Yep. I'm checking me around the BR. Yep. I'm gonna hit the highway now.